How to fix Instagram upload. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. Click on the apps here. Scroll until you find Instagram. Click on Instagram, click on force stop. After you click on force stop, go to the data usage. Make sure that everything is enabled. And go back to the settings, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 30 seconds, and after that disable it, and go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it. So that's it guys. If the problem is not solved yet, this means that you have problem in your Wi-Fi. So check your Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like, subscribe.